I wanted to ask you one question today. Whenever you get any job or any offer, what are the important points which you consider while you are joining that company or any organization? Of course, salary is the first point. However, there are other points which we should consider are like organizational policies, work pressure, work culture, work environment, what are the technology or skill which we are going to work, what are the future opportunities or promotion opportunities in that particular organization. All these are important things, but do you know which is the most important thing which we should consider while accepting any offer? I'm going to tell you one story about my friend. Recently, like couple of months back, he has got one big offer from one of the company, and looking at the salary, he decided to join that company because it was offering very good salary. Rather than apart from other companies, this company was giving very good salary, and he has joined that company. However, within 1 month, he has resigned from that company and joined some different company. I asked him, what happened? Why you have resigned from this company? It was giving so much package to you, so much salary to you. He said, salary or money is fine, but there is one important aspect which is mental satisfaction, or work satisfaction, mental peace. The work culture or the environment I used to work there was not good. The work pressure was too much. But I don't mind the work pressure. However, the culture was toxic culture. People were not good to each other. They were not supportive to each other. And I was feeling a bit pressurized there. That's what he has told me. And I realized that, yes, whenever you accept any offer, we should look at the first is work satisfaction. This is one most important aspect we should check. Whenever you wanted to join any company or any organization, wherever you are going, this is the important aspects, because mental peace is important. That is what we should look. It is not always money. Money is a secondary. Of course, money, we should get a competitive money. Means it's not like that means we should get very less. But it should be as per the market standard. The salary we are getting, it should be as per market standard. However, when we are going to join that company, we should check how is the work culture. Because remember, toxic work culture is going to affect your mental peace. It is going to affect your health. That is why maybe some company is paying less than what other company is paying. However, if their work culture is good, then it is going to be helpful for you. I remember when I was working in my first company, I was very junior. I joined as a fresher there, as a graduate hire. However, the work environment was very good there. The people were supportive to each other. There was work pressure. I used to work on weekends as well sometimes, but the work environment was very healthy. I used to work for 10 hours, 12 hours as well in weekdays. But I was getting to learn. The people were supportive around. That's what is important, and it was a mental peace. Because wherever people are supportive, wherever people are helping you to grow, then we can take as much pressure as we can on the work side. But when the people are toxic, they are not supportive, then it becomes difficult to work on in that work environment. So this is important aspects we should consider while accepting any of the company offer or a job offer. That's what I wanted to convey in this video. If you like my video, then please like it, and if you have any suggestion, comments or your inputs, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.